Unorthodox. The word unorthodox is an adjective that describes something or someone that goes against established norms, traditions, or conventional practices. It suggests a departure from the usual or accepted way of doing things. Here are a few examples to help illustrate the meaning of unorthodox. 1. John's teaching methods are unorthodox. Instead of using textbooks, he encourages his students to engage in hands-on activities and learn through experience. 2. The fashion designer's collection was praised for its unorthodox approach. She combined unexpected colors, patterns, and materials to create unique and unconventional designs. 3. The company's management style is unorthodox. Instead of a hierarchical structure, they have a flat organizational model where employees have equal say in decision-making. 4. Sarah's cooking is unorthodox, but it always surprises and delights her dinner guests. She experiments with unusual flavor combinations and techniques to create innovative dishes. 5. The artist's paintings are considered unorthodox because they challenge traditional artistic conventions. He uses unconventional materials and abstract forms to create thought-provoking works of art. In these examples, unorthodox is used to describe something that deviates from the usual or expected way of doing things, whether it is teaching, fashion, management, cooking, or art. It implies a willingness to break free from established norms and explore new and unconventional approaches.